Hello my friends, welcome to Bookless channel, and in today's video I will show you how to self-host n8n on DigitalOcean. It's much simpler than to make a sandwich, believe me. And also, if you watch till the end, I will tell you how to get $200 from DigitalOcean to try it out for 2 months. So, let's start. Alright, we are at digitalocean.com, and if you don't have an account, just click sign up, and it's quite easy to create an account, but as I already have one, just click login and I will be redirected into my project. Specifically for this tutorial, I already created a new project called Tutorials, just to make it clean and to show how it looks basically when you start. Now let's go to Marketplace and let's find n8n app there. And it's quite easy to find because it's already in promoted section. If you can't find it here, so just type in search n8n and you will find one. Click and you will see a separate page for n8n, just with a description, some images, and here is the button that you just need to click to create a droplet. So if you're not familiar with the DigitalOcean, Droplet, it's basically like a virtual machine where your application or website or whatever will be hosted. So first of all, we need to create a region. Basically, you need to create the region where you are located, or at least the closest location to your current location. For example, let's choose New York, and let's go down. And as you see, n8n is already selected here. Just go down, and for example, we see we need to choose the size and the CPU. For like basic projects, you can start with just a really simple and small instance, maybe not the cheapest one, but for $12. It will be enough to start, and then just need to go down. If you need a backup plan, so you can also select it. It will add, I think, $1 or something, but for the tutorial, let's skip it. And we need to choose at least one SSH key. If you don't have one, so just click new SSH key, and here is like a short tutorial how to create one. So basically it's the secure way how you can log in into your droplet from your computer. So quantity, it's one droplet, and host name, just let's rename it to n8n. You can also add some tags, but yeah, just keep it like that. Click create droplet. And now we need to wait a little bit, at least maybe like 3-5 minutes until it's created. So our droplet is created, and now we can start setting up the n8n. So here is a get started guide that we can follow. Just click on it and you will see basically the instructions how to set up n8n on the DigitalOcean, and basically how to finish setting up. So first of all, we need to add a type DNS entry for a subdomain. So to use n8n, you need like to register a domain. So like any domain you can use, for example, Namecheap or GoDaddy or other providers to register your domain, and then you can create a subdomain for your domain, or maybe if you have an existing one, so you can just add a subdomain for it. So let's go back, and here in n8n I already have a registered domain, bookla.space, what we can use to set up a subdomain for our project. So just click on it. So I am personally using DigitalOcean to manage all my domains. It's really easy and handy to use DigitalOcean for that. And to use that, you can just set up NS records on your existing register, for example, Namecheap. You just need to choose custom NS settings and just put there free entries from DigitalOcean, NS1, NS2, and NS3. And then you will be able to manage domain on DigitalOcean. So basically, if you have all the droplets and domains on DigitalOcean, it's quite easy to use everything in one place. Okay, so let's add our A record. So it will be n8n, and where it will be redirected, here you need to select your droplet. So for us it will be n8n in New York, and just click Create Record. Okay, the record is created, and then go back to our guide. Just click on it and let's check what should be done next. Okay, so basically DNS record we already created, and now we need to connect to our droplet using SSH. To do that, we need to open the terminal, or in Windows I think it's called console, and let's do that. Okay, we opened the terminal, and now we need to log into our instance in DigitalOcean, so basically to our droplet. To do that, you need to type SSH root at, and this is the IP address of your droplet. You just need to copy it from DigitalOcean. There is a copy button, and just put it here. Let's do that. So here is the warning. Are you sure you want to continue connecting? Yes. And passphrase of your IDRSA. And we are in. And automatically we are entering the setup guide for n8n in our droplet. And now we need to enter the subdomain. So it's n8n. Domain name, for us it's Bukla space. Email address, let it be igor@bukla.com. Would you like to configure a time zone? No. Alright, and now just need to wait while it's setting up. It will take just a few minutes. The installation is done, and now we need to open the browser and go to our subdomain n8n.bukla.space. And now we can open the n8n website and finish setting up the account. To do that, we need to set up the details of the owner account. Let's say I will use my personal Bukla's account, and Gors, and password just maybe Google. Yeah, use strong password by Google. I want to receive security and product updates. Alright, click next, and let's wait a little bit while it's finishing up the setup. And setup is complete, and you can just finish this questionnaire by n8n. So for example, what the best describes your company? Software as a service, which role? Let's say business owner, myself, less than 20 people, let's say Google, and get started. All right, now you need to enter the email address where you will get a free license key. So just you can use the same address that you registered with and click send me the license key. All right, the license key on its way, and it should arrive to my email. And as I see, yes, it's arrived to my email. Click activate license key in my email. And I will be redirected to the web page, to my n8n web page, and you will see that the license is activated. So n8n are activating all the self-hosted licenses. So as you see, you have unlimited workflows. And let's just check if we can create a workflow if it works well. Let's start from scratch. At first step, for example, I will trigger it manually. And for example, let's say we want to use merge. All right, and as we see, it's working, and basically the setup is complete and you can start creating your own workflows. You see, my friends, it was really easy to install n8n on DigitalOcean. And now, if you want to try out the DigitalOcean and to get $200 for 2 months, you can go to the description of this video and you will find a link what you can use to register on DigitalOcean. And after that, you will get a $200 to use it within 2 months. And as usual, if you like this video, just put a like and comment if you have any questions, and see you soon. Thank you for watching.